In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create an invoice in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone just starting out, creating invoices efficiently is crucial for maintaining your cash flow. Wave Accounting offers an intuitive platform to help you manage this process with ease. Let's dive into the steps and get you on your way to sending out your first invoice. First, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is your main hub for accessing all the different features Wave Accounting has to offer. Here, you'll want to find the Sales drop-down tab. Once you've located it, click on it to reveal a list of options. From this list, select Invoices. This will take you to the section where you can view and manage all your invoices. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll notice a blue button at the top right corner of the screen that says Create an Invoice. Go ahead and click on this button to begin crafting your invoice. This action will open up a new invoice template, ready for you to start filling in the details. The next step involves adding or selecting a customer. If you've worked with this customer before, you can simply select their name from your existing list. If this is a new customer, you'll need to add their details. This typically includes their name, business name, email address, and any other relevant contact information. Having accurate and up-to-date customer information is essential, as it ensures your invoice reaches the right person and gets paid on time. Now that you've got your customer set up, it's time to configure your invoice dates, currency, and layout customizations. Start by setting the invoice date to the day you're creating it. You can also set a due date, which determines when you expect the payment. It's always a good idea to clarify this timeline to avoid any payment delays. Next, check the currency settings to ensure they match the currency your client uses. This is particularly important if you're dealing with international clients. Lastly, take a moment to look at the layout customizations. Wave allows you to adjust the appearance of your invoice, which can be useful for branding purposes. You can add your company logo or change the color scheme to match your brand's aesthetics. With those configurations in place, it's time to add line items. These are the specific products or services you're billing your client for. For each line item, enter a description, quantity, and price. Wave will automatically calculate the totals for you, including any taxes if applicable. Make sure each line item is clear and concise to avoid any confusion. A well-detailed invoice not only looks professional but also reduces the chances of disputes or misunderstandings. Finally, after reviewing all the information to ensure accuracy, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, which might be located at the bottom or top of the invoice page, depending on any updates to the interface. Once you click Save, your invoice will be stored in Wave, ready for you to send out to your client. And there you have it. You've successfully created an invoice in Wave Accounting. With this powerful tool, invoicing becomes a streamlined part of your financial workflow, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Remember, staying organized with your invoices will help you maintain a healthy cash flow, ensuring your business continues to thrive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other features Wave Accounting offers to make your financial management even easier.